Hi you guys, I'm Paige.
And I'm Tiffany, and today we are going to be sharing one of our favorite tiki drink recipes, which is from Trader Sam's in Disneyland. It's actually outside the Disneyland Hotel, and there's also one located in the Polynesian Hotel in Florida. So the drink that we're going to be sharing is the Piranha Pool.
I don't know if they make dog sounds. I don't know why I did that.
And the Piranha Pool is basically a blue Hawaiian with a strawberry twist. And it's an incredible drink. It's one of our favorites, but all the drinks at Trader Sam's are really good. So if you haven't been there, you definitely need to experience it.
And if you like drinks that aren't like super strong and don't taste, a lot of the tiki drinks are a little bit more on the bitter side. This is more of a sweet drink, and they're a little dangerous because the alcohol is not super strong in them. I don't feel like they are. So I think it's really good, and this is actually the Piranha Pool mug. They serve them to you in these super cool souvenir mugs. And if you want, you can purchase the mug and take it home, which we always do. It's just a really cool experience, and to be able to take this home and be like, oh, I have the Piranha Pool. We always try and get different drinks each time because they have different mugs for each drink. And It's just a really cool experience. Trader Sam's, if you haven't been, I highly recommend going. It's super cool.
It feels like you're in Hawaii, and if you love the tiki environment as much as we do, you're gonna love it. So definitely check it out. But for now, we're gonna give you a little bit of Trader Sam's magic at home and show you how to make this incredible drink. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah.
And let's get started. Alright, so we are going to be making a larger portion, which is for two large drinks, or one if you really love the drink.
Just drink the whole pitcher. Just
I could. This drink's amazing.
It's so good. You easily could drink a whole pitcher on your own.
Yeah. So what you're going to need to get started is a blender. You are also going to need 3 ounces of strawberry vodka, 5 ounces of pineapple juice,
and then 4 ounces of cream of coconut and 2 ounces of blue carousel.
And also you're going to blend that with 3 cups of ice.
And then we use this, it's finessed kale.
Finest? Finest call?
Okay. Strawberry puree. I should have just said that. I don't know why I tried to go off and read labels. How dare I do that? Because I can't read, apparently. But we're going to use this strawberry puree, and there's not a specific measurement. You just kind of pour it in the glass. If you want it to taste a little bit more strawberry, you could add a little bit more. The other day we made it, and it seemed like the blue drink kind of took over, and I didn't taste the strawberry as much. So the more the merrier with this. Just kind of line the inside of your glass, I would say.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and mix it up. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put it on the frozen dessert setting. We are using a Vitamix, and we're going to go ahead and blend it up. Oh, first we got to turn it on. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pour some of the strawberry puree along the inside of the glass. And kind of just swirl it around a little bit. And then we are going to go ahead and pour the drink in. And I like to kind of tilt it so that the strawberry isn't all at the bottom. And we're going to go ahead and do pages. That's actually a lot of strawberry puree.
That's okay. I complained I didn't have enough the other day. Look, and we have a little extra to top off.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and put the straws in. It's not a true tiki drink unless you put swizzle sticks in it, which we got from Trader Sam's. So we're gonna go ahead and put those in so that way we can mix up our drink a little bit. And they are good to go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and give these drinks a try and see how they turned out. Oh my gosh.
These are so good. I hope you guys try these at home because these are probably our go-to at-home drink when we're trying to feel like we're at Disneyland. These are so sweet and they're not super strong with alcohol. You can hardly taste the alcohol. These are so good.
Turned out amazing. Just exactly how I remember drinking it there.
Yeah, and I'm glad we put the extra strawberry in there because it does add a lot more flavor. Yesterday, or the other day that we made it, I felt like I couldn't taste the strawberry as much. I felt like I was missing something, but today we put extra strawberry puree at the bottom, extra finessed kale at the bottom, and it was so good. So I hope you guys enjoy this at home, and we probably should say I hope you guys are 21 and older and drinking this.
Drink responsibly, you guys.
And if you guys have never been to Trader Sam's, when it reopens, I highly suggest going. It is such a nice atmosphere there. It's a great experience when you want a break from the parks and want to feel like you're in a tropical paradise. Go hang out at the patio and order some panko crusted long beans. Those are so
They're amazing.
good.
Everything we've tried there is really good. All the food, all the drinks.
So if you have kiddos at home, don't feel like I can't take my kid to a bar. Just go hang out at the patio. Go enjoy the tiki torches right by the Disneyland pool. It's beautiful out there.
Yeah, you can bring your kids up until about 8 o'clock, I'm pretty sure is the cutoff. So definitely go and check that out. We hope you liked our video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that way you can be informed when we post new videos.
Yeah. So, mahalo!
Mahalo!